Hello everybody, welcome back to Jazzy61. So today I have a ton of cleaning to get done. So I'm gonna take you along with me as I get this cleaning done, get my house reorganized and back together. Little one is over here making all kinds of noise. So let me show you guys the damage first. Then we can start. So up here, you guys, I got to figure out how to organize this better. I think I'm going to put this bouncy castle into one of my guest bedrooms since we're not going to have guests for a while. And that way we can just, he can bounce in there. And I can leave this up here for my husband since he's actually going to use it. Moving on into this area. Yeah, my kitchen. Whoo! Talking about, got some things and some stuff to do in here, boy. Look at that sink of dishes. All right, so kitchen. Just got to be overhauled altogether. Dining area, not too bad. Gotta get the trash out, clean the floors, things like that. Moving over here to where my son has caused nothing but complete and utter chaos. Gonna have to clean this up shortly. Gotta go in my bedroom too, show you guys that as it comes. So let's just get started in this general area and work our way over, shall we? Okay guys, as usual, I'm starting in my kitchen, tackling my dishes first. This is the longest part of any time I clean up my house. So I'm gonna knock out my kitchen first and then move into every other space in my house. I feel like once I get the kitchen taken care of, everything else just comes so easy to me. So I'm gonna take care of this and then move into the living room and things like that. Let me know down in the comments what's the most tedious part of cleaning up your house. you see me starting on my pots and pans, if I have a lot of other dishes to do or a lot of other dishes in my dishwasher, I tend to do my pots and pans and my bigger dishes that I cook in, my cookware. I just clean it by hand. It's easier to me than putting it in a dishwasher. And sometimes when it dries, it causes issues, especially if I have like cast iron and things like that. So the other things that won't fit in my dishwasher, I think I have a pot and a skillet that go in, but everything else I'm going to clean by hand. So this little pot here, my crock pot, it's like a ceramic glass thing, so I tend to clean it by hand anyway, just because I don't trust that it's not going to crack in the dishwasher. So I'm going to go ahead and knock this out and move on to my next task. So I generally go over my countertops once with soap and water, and once it dries, I go over it with a disinfectant wipe, which is what you're seeing me do right now, cleaning off knobs, handles, light fixtures. But I always wipe every surface down, especially since we touch everything. And lately, I have been sweeping more so than vacuuming in my kitchen, because under the cabinets, the vacuum doesn't get it very well. So I'd like to do it this way instead. And here is the overview of my kitchen once it is all cleaned up. It makes me feel so happy once it's done. I don't know, I just feel so zen moving forward into this chaos that my son caused before he went down for his nap, because it is chaos. He likes to take out all of his toys and play with one toy. I don't understand, but this is what my living room looks like before he goes down for his nap, and before he goes to bed at night. So I'm going to knock this out. I did end up vacuuming, but it was off camera, you guys, because as I said, my little one was down for his nap and he was in the next room, so he would have heard the vacuum cleaner. So now I am all done with the main area of our house, you guys. Stay tuned for a part 2 where I'll be doing the rest of the house. I don't want this video to be too long, but I got everything tidied up and straightened up in the main areas where we spend most of our time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.